Prime Minister Narendra Modi has extended greetings to Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar on his birthday today. India advised students in Kazakhstan's Bishkek to stay indoors following the reports of mob violence targeting international students. A high-level Indian delegation concluded its first round of talks with UAE officials on developing the ambitious India-Middle East-Europe economic corridor just 3 months after the two nations inked a framework agreement for the project. A 9-day-long Indo-Bangla Ball music festival began in Dhaka on Friday to celebrate the 250th birth anniversary of mystic saint and humanist Bart Fakir Lalan Shah. India's men's doubles pair of Chirag Shetty and Satvik Sairaj Rankireddy will take on Korea's Min Chae-loo and Tang Kai-wei in the semi-finals of the Thailand Open badminton tournament in Bangkok today.